Now he's gonna put on the fish sauce, sweet fish sauce. Whoa, so sticky with shrimp in it. Oh, he already has big sackfuls of mangoes already. It's sweet and it's sour all at the same time. I mean, this is something that's just so addictive. Once you start eating it, you can't stop. Lung Prayong, and he has a variety of fruits. I mean, it's a whole fruit store. You can order whatever fruit you like, but his most famous thing, what Thais come here to eat, is his mamuang namplawan, which is mango with sweet shrimp paste and fish sauce. So we're gonna order one and see how he makes it right now, but he already has, I mean, they're preparing for a lot of mango. Oh, he already has big sackfuls of mangoes already. We got here before the big rush, but they're definitely ready for the rush. อันนี้คืออะไรครับพี่
อันนี้คือกะปิแห้ง
Okay, so the shrimp paste goes on.
ราดน้ำปลาหวาน
Okay, and now he's gonna put on the fish sauce, sweet fish sauce. Whoa, so sticky with shrimp in it. Oh, nice. Okay, oh man, that smells so good. You smell like caramely aroma. And more kapi. Wow. Okay. Okay, so here we go. And you can see, man, he really loads up the toppings. And he loads up so much of the sweet fish sauce with shrimp. But then he put 2 spoonfuls of the shrimp paste. And it looks like it's very sugary as well. Sugary with shrimp paste, the green mango, all of that fish sauce. Oh man. Okay. First of all, I love his mango. In Thai, it's called a gao kamin. It's known to be crispy, it's sweet, and it's sour all at the same time. The texture, and I mean, it's not stringy at all. The mango itself has a perfect texture to it. It's sweet, but it's also salty. It has this umami to it from the fish sauce, from the shrimp paste, from the actual baby shrimp in there as well. And then it has this complexity because of the fermentation, because of all the, I mean, there's so many things that go into this, so many different flavors. And again, this is one of the things that just totally encompasses what flavor profile Thais love so much. I consider this more of like a dessert snack, but it's delicious and refreshing. And then you've also got that syrupy fish sauce on the bottom. So you've got 2 different sources of sweetness and fermentation. It's really good. I mean, if you have watched some of my previous videos, you probably know that I don't love sweet that much. But I think because of the fruitiness of this, because of the sourness that brings it together, also that salty complexity, to me this is like premium dessert. All just that balance of flavor. And Uncle is really generous with his toppings, with his ingredients. I mean, this is something that's just so addictive. Once you start eating it, you can't stop. Now we also ordered his nam lam yai, which is longan juice. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty sweet. A little bit sweet, but it is nice. It's nice and fragrant. You taste that longan. You taste the fragrance. Almost kind of has like a caramely fragrance to it, and it is very refreshing. It's starting to warm up today, starting to sweat, so drinking something icy and cold always hits the spot. Lung Prayong, come here. I mean, his mamong namplawan is so good. It's so addictive. It's so tasty, definitely,
good,
and very friendly.
Yeah, good,
yes, thank you. ขอบคุณมากครับพี่ ขอบคุณมากครับพี่ Come to think of it, it's almost like the equivalent of a caramel apple, just the Thai version, but mango with sweet fish sauce and shrimp paste.